Hey guys, welcome to my channel Arts by Vaishu. We all know that it's summer, and when we just tell the word summer aloud, we are reminded of ice cream. Due to this COVID-19, we can't just walk into any ice cream shop and get ice cream. So, what if we made it at home with lesser ingredients, shorter period of time, and it's fun and easy to make? So today in my video I'm going to show you how to make watermelon popsicles in a very easy way. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the video. You will need 1/4 watermelon cut into pieces, a tablespoon of sugar and a half cup of water. Let's get started. You can use a food processor or a mixer to grind these pieces. So we add one by one. So now the tablespoon of sugar and the water. So I'm going to use these molds to make the popsicles and some of these ice cream sticks for the holding purpose. Now I'm going to pour the juice in the molds. And now I'm gonna put an ice cream stick.